What's up YouTube? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa video ito, manonood tayo kay Nuke's Top 5 na ang pamagat ay 5 Unexplained Mysteries in the Sky Caught on Camera. Ano kaya itong mga nakunan ng camera sa kalangitan tawagin. So make sure mag-subscribe kayo dito kay Nuke's Top 5. Napakaganda ng mga video nito eh. Sa akin, itong panonoorin ko mga luma niya na to eh. Sa kagaya na sabi ko nga, hindi pwedeng hindi ka mag-reaction video, lalo na kung horror, dito kay Nuke's Top 5. So, ano pang iniintay natin? Nga pala, shoutout sa mga subscribers saka sa mga viewers ko dyan. Thank you so much po. So, wag na natin patagalin to. Let's go sa go.
Five unexplained mysteries in the sky, caught on camera. Sky Spiral. On December 9, 2009, just before sunrise, a strange light appeared in the northern skies of Norway. Now, this is not something that would ordinarily be considered strange, considering Norway is well known for its northern lights, which are caused by naturally occurring solar
Norway
storms.
pala yun.
But this particular event was very different. What
Diyan
started
pala
out as a
makikita yun.
simple glowing beam turned into something unexplainable as the amazing phenomena started spinning into a perfect spiral.
Ano?
Then suddenly, the hundreds of miles wide spiral seemed to get swallowed by a black hole. Witnesses were stunned. The mysterious spiraling blue light show soon caught the attention of news networks internationally.
Stargazers have a big mystery on their hands, a giant spiral of
nabalita
light
pa.
that suddenly appeared over northern Norway.
Norwegians were treated to a spectacular light show early Wednesday morning that immediately set tongues wagging, everyone asking what created that giant blue pinwheel in the sky.
After contacting multiple sources and getting very few answers, the news outlets ultimately speculated that the event might have been a failed Russian rocket test. So, what do you think? Do you believe it was just a rocket test gone wrong, or proof that there's more out there than the government tells us? Let me know your opinion in the comments down below.
Pwede naman ding rocket test lang. Diba? So, yun yung naging epekto. Nagkaroon ng spiral sa kalangitan. Saka yung kanina, yung color green, yung nagko-color green na sky. Sa Norway pala yan. Marami akong kakilala na nakakita na nun. Nagpaka-picture sila. Kasi napaka-rare nga naman. Bibihira ka lang makakita ng ganun, di ba? Saka maganda yung memories din kapag nakapagpa-picture ka kasama yun. So ito, balik tayo dito. Baka nga siguro rocket launch lang na nag-fail, di ba? Kasi kung totoo mang may ganyan, dapat sa Pilipinas, nakikita din, di ba? Sa buong mundo. So, baka ano lang talaga. Yun lang talaga, rocket launch. Pero kayo, comment nyo na lang sa comment section kung ano sa palagay nyo.
The Ring of Smoke. This eerie footage taken in Kazakhstan has residents and online viewers convinced it's definitive proof of extraterrestrial life. On April 4th, 2015, confused locals watched as a mysterious cloud began to hover ominously over the village of Shortendy. The cloud hovered there for 15 minutes before it vanished as quickly as it appeared. Some believe the black cloud formation to be a naturally occurring weather event known as a thermal microburst, which is caused by a falling mass of warm air. However, what makes this theory questionable is that these microbursts are caused by bad weather, usually a thunderstorm or even a tornado. In the video, it's clear that there are absolutely no signs of bad weather present, not even another cloud in the sky. Skyquake.
Baka naman may kapre lang nag-yossi. So, nagpasigat, ayun, may nag-form ng ganun. Baka yossi lang yun, nag-yossing kapre lang. Hindi ko alam. Comment na lang po sa comment section.
There's an odd phenomena that has been reported around the world where loud noises can be heard that actually seem to emanate from the very sky itself. Sounds range from loud pulsing booms to audio that seems almost musical. The phenomena is so common that it has even been given a name: skyquakes. Now, no one knows the source of these skyquakes, but some theorists speculate that the sounds could have possible extraterrestrial or UFO origins. One thing is certain, These strange sounds have been reported by news outlets all over the world.
There's been a lot of buzz over the last few weeks about
nabalita
strange
din,
sounds being heard in the atmosphere. People around the world and here at home have reported hearing some bizarre noises.
That heard a loud boom coming from the skies last night.
Heard and felt a loud noise around 12:30 Central Time this afternoon.
The area's been plagued by loud, booming sounds. Problem is, no one knows where the sound is coming from.
I'm going to try and describe it for everyone here, okay? If you took a whale's mating call, added a 5th grader learning to play French horn, and threw in some cheeseball ghost sound effects from a haunted house, that would be like the noise that a lot of people woke up to in St. Paul this morning.
The creepy sounds have also been documented by YouTube users worldwide.
Sa Ukraine. Parang may trumpet sa kalangitan. O dito din sa England naman. Katakot yung tunog Oh, gabi pa. O isa rin to, gabi din. Singapore. O sa Canada din O dito sa Dubai din Sabihin buong mundo.
Other non-UFO conspiracy theories for the cause of these sounds range all the way from secret
Kung di ako nagkakamali, na-featured yan dati sa balita. Dito sa Pilipinas may ganyan din nakinig na tunog. Kung, if I'm not mistaken, sa Batangas ata nangyari yun. May isang binata nun. Matagal na tong na-featured sa balita. Tapos nung nakinig niya, kinuha na niya yung cellphone. Tapos yung tunog, kagaya din niya, parang may trumpet, tunog ng trumpet sa kalangitan pa nga. Parang sa kalangitan pa nga Tapos doon sa balita din, natatandaan ko, yung reaction ng mga hayop, lalo ng aso niya, parang takot na takot. Diba? Although napaka-creepy siya, nakakatakot. Kasi may mga nagsasabi, baka nabasa ko sa comment section, baka trumpet na yun sa kalangitan, mga signs na. Diba? Pero may iba rin naman nagsasabi, baka may mga namubong tunog lang, kaya nagmukang trompeta. Baka yung mga tunog na nagsama-sama, namuo lang, kaya gano'n na naging tunog. Pero ewan ko, comment nyo na lang po sa comment section kung ano sa palagay nyo yung tunog na yun.
government weather control devices, to even the assertion by some religious groups that the sounds herald the beginning of the apocalypse.
Ayun
So what do you think these weird sounds are? Let me know in the comments below. Floating City.
This video surfaced out of China, and it looks like their city is floating in the clouds, of course.
Now here's a bizarre one for you. An
China?
actual floating city in the sky. Or is it? At least 5 times over the last 6 years, this mysterious phenomenon has occurred in the skies over China. The latest strange event taking place this year on April 21st, 2017. Now, it's undeniable that this is a real event, considering how many times the mysterious floating city has appeared, and each time it's been captured on camera by multiple witnesses. But opinions on just what it is vary.
Kung di ako nagkakamali, napanood ko to at nagawa ng reaction video nung na-featured kay The Darkest Secret last year. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Napanood ko.
Now, one of the strange leading theories is that the floating city is a hologram produced by the authorities carrying out a, quote, Project Bluebeam test. Project Bluebeam is a conspiracy theory which believes that NASA plans to one day use holograms and telepathy to simulate an alien invasion of Earth or even the second coming of Christ. Another theory is that it's a portal from a different dimension, giving us a brief glimpse of a city in another part of the universe. Now, the previous theories seem more like movie plots than actual science. So, the most believable theory is that the floating city is merely a fata morgana. A fata morgana is a mirage that causes observers to see images that are sometimes upside down or stacked one on top of the other. It's caused by light rays being bent by extremely dense air. One example is when traveling on a road on a hot day and you might see water in the distance, water which will then disappear when you come close. Whichever theory is true, that's up to you to decide. UFO near Paris.
Number 1 na, UFO.
In September 2016, a disc-shaped object appeared over Paris, France. A witness captured it on camera, at first believing it to be a helicopter. Only after zooming in did the skeptic begin to doubt his own theory. In the footage, it's clear that the object is not anything you'd normally see in the sky. It has a saucer shape and moves very slowly through the clouds. Now, most UFO videos are very easy to debunk, but this one seems much more realistic than most. If you look close, you can see light reflecting off the circular object. The clip also seems more believable because the camera operator actually zooms and focuses on the object several times. This video is either a special effects video created by someone who took a lot of time to create this saucer-shaped object in exceptional detail, or it's actual footage of a UFO. So, what do you think? Share your thoughts down in the comments.
Totoo kaya yun? UFO yung nakakunan doon sa last part. May happening sa'yo sabihin kasi unang-una natakpan na siya no, sa ulap, diba? Ang hirap din magsabi baka na UFO yun. O may happening sabihing peke yan, baka hindi naman totoo, baka aeroplano lang, diba? Pero ang galing din nito kay Nooks Top 5, may mga ganito siyang featured pala. Hindi lang siya sa mga horror, kumbaga may mga ganitong mga mystery kung tawagin. Kumbaga kahit pa paano nakakapagbigay kayo ng opinion sa mga nakikita dito sa mga nakukunan nila. So yun, subscribe kayo dito, Nooks Top 5. Napakaganda ng mga video nito. Saka syempre, subscribe din kayo sa akin channel na Master Renz. At pakiclick na ng bell button para lagi tayong magkasama sa panonood. Thank you so much po sa pagsama. Ingat po kayo palagi.